Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, hope you all have written your FA1 examinations successfully. And now we begin with the second term. We have seen many lessons in the first term, children, before the first FA1 examination. Of course, we have tested only in the first 3 units under the syllabus, but we have finished many other lessons also. Hope you are well versed with that. We have seen about the first empires, we have seen about the democratic governments, we have also seen about the decision making in a tribe, community decision making. We have seen the trade in agricultural produce like Raitu Bazar as well as market yard, and we also learnt about different places like Penugolu, Dokuru and Penamakuru. Now let us move on to a new lesson called as village panchayat. So now we are going to learn about the village panchayat, children. So what is this village panchayat? As we have already seen that the government provides different kinds of public amenities. Amenities mean facilities. रोड डालना और जो नाइट के टाइम पे लाइट्स डालना, और पानी दिलाना, ये पूरा जो काम जो है वो पब्लिक वर्क्स जो है वो गवर्नमेंट देखभाल करती. मगर एक विलेज में कौन देख लेता? ये जो पब्लिक कम्युनिटीज़ जो है, अगर ड्रेनेज कैनाल बनाने का है, ओके, ड्रेनेज कैनाल बनाने का और हैंड पंप डालने का, पानी दिलाने का, सो ये पूरा काम जो है पब्लिक कम्युनिटीज़ जो है वो कौन देख लेता? लेट अस लर्न अबाउट सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एट ए विलेज लेवल. एक गांव में कौन कर लेता, कौन देख लेता है पूरा? ओके, द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ए स्टेट और द MLA ऑफ दैट रीजन will not come and will look after those all things. There are certain people who are responsible at the village level who will take care of all those things. We will see about them. So coming to the providing the public amenities, children, as you all know that in a village level, that means in a village, a hand pump needs to be repaired. In another part of the village, there is a drainage canal where water is being spilled over and the road is completely muddy. Who will solve these all problems? And whether it is roads, hand pumps or street lights, they belong to the people in the village as a whole, and they are called as public amenities. Amenities mean facilities, children. Amenities. Amenities बोले तो क्या है? फैसिलिटीज़ है. पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़ क्या है? पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़ रोड फैसिलिटी जो है, रोड डालने का, ड्राइनेज, ओके, वाटर प्रोवाइडिंग, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोवाइड करने का, स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग, ओके, एक पूरा काम जो है उसको पब्लिक एमिनिटीज़ बोलते हैं, पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़ बोलते हैं. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी उसके अंदर ही आता. हमारा RTC बसेस जो है वो भी उसके अंदर ही आता. एंड who will ask, who will provide these amenities, and who has to take care of their maintenance? Okay, providing and forgetting about that will not solve the problem. Somebody has to maintain all these things. Somebody has to supervise its functioning. For this purpose, we have panchayats in rural areas and municipalities in urban areas. So who will take care of these all facilities? These all facilities will be taken care at a village level by the panchayat. And if it is a town बोले तो एक शहर के जैसा है, ओके, सिटी के जैसा, then these amenities will be provided by municipalities. So ये municipalities में अगर फिर दो टाइप्स का municipalities है. म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल है, म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन है. अगर बड़ा शहर है, समझो हैदराबाद, वरंगल, करीमनगर के जैसा बड़ा शहर है तो वो म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन बनता. हमारा भी कॉरपोरेशन है नहीं. अगर छोटा गांव है, परकाल है, नहीं तो और छोटे गांव हैं, उसको म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल रहते, म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल. सो वी इन विलेज लेवल देयर विल बी ए पंचायत. ये पूरा एमिनिटीज़ को जो दिलाती है वो पंचायत है, और वो विलेज पंचायत के बारे में हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो उसके काम क्या है, व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ इट, उसको पैसा कहाँ से मिलती, एंड हाउ दे विल एलेक्ट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, विल सी अंडर द विलेज पंचायत. सो बिफोर दिस वी आल्सो हैव स्टडीड अबाउट डेमोक्रेसी. बोले तो हमारे तरफ से जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करके भेजते हैं डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट में, ये विलेज लेवल में डेमोक्रेसी कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट होती है देखेंगे. ऑल द पब्लिक एमिनिटीज़ कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड by the government departments, but what happened is they follow orders from higher ups and eventually from the authorities in the state, and in the state capital the directorate, the higher authorities will be there, so their orders they follow and they keep on doing. In such an arrangement, the people of the village will have no say or no role at all. They have no role to play. Everything will be taken care by the state capital में जो directors है वो लोग जो है the officers, they will take care of entire things and they will make the mechanism, the machinery to run. So further, the needs of the villagers must be let us see, the needs of the villagers are best understood by the local men and they can solve their problems more easily than others who doesn't belong to that village. ओके बाहर के लोगों को ये गांव के बारे में नहीं मालूम, इसका प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में नहीं मालूम. ओके वो आके इधर काम करने से बेहतर है कि अंदर गांव के वालों में से कोई कुछ चुन लिए तो इफ़ दे इलेक्ट समवन फ्रॉम अमॉन्ग देम, देन दे अंडरस्टैंड द लोकल प्रॉब्लम्स बेटर एंड दे कैन सॉल्व देम वेरी इजीली आल्सो. So more important than all this is enabling the ordinary people of the village to participate in the public affairs is more important. Okay, not only the CM, MLAs, even the local people also should participate in the public affairs and they can take care of these public amenities more better than any other. That is why we have elected the panchayats, village panchayats and municipalities in order to provide the basic amenities at the local level. So these local people who elects the local men as a village to the village panchayat and municipalities, they will take care of providing these basic amenities to the people at the local level. At the base of this system of democratic functioning would be a Grama Sabha. So at the village level there is a institute called as Grama Sabha, Gram Sabha, and consisting of all the voters in the village. Grama Sabha is nothing but it consists of all the eligible voters of the village. Eligible voters बोले तो कौन है जी? 18 years above जो है वो सभी लोग जो है मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्राम सभा है, ग्राम सभा का मेंबर्स है वो लोग. एलिजिबल वोटर्स ऑफ द ऑल विलेज मेंबर्स विल बी द मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्राम सभा. And this Grama Sabha is expected to review the functioning of the Gram Panchayat. ग्राम पंचायत का जो भी काम जो है it will be reviewed. सभी लोग मिल बैठ के okay they will discuss there and they take decision, they participate in taking decisions about the village development and village welfare. And at the as all the villagers will elect the members of the Gram Panchayat and the Sarpanch who conducts the day-to-day work for the work of the panchayat also will be elected. The head of this ग्राम पंचायत और विलेज पंचायत, विलेज नहीं तो ग्राम पंचायत सेम ही है, इसका हेड जो है ओके सरपंच है, सरपंच बोलते हैं उसको, मुखिया, मुखिया नहीं हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मुखिया. So the ग्राम सरपंच will be elected by the Grama Sabha only and the members of the ward members and the other members of the Gram Panchayat also will be elected by the Grama Sabha and they will review the activities and the developmental and welfare activities of the village regularly. And if you look at the Grama Sabha, already in the last chapter we read about the democratic government and the need to ensure participation of all people in the public affairs. While it is not possible for all the people to participate because it is a huge population and too much people will spoil the curry. So it's better we have. So we'll see about this Grama Sabha and the remaining parts of the Grama Sabha in the next class, children. Thank you.